Hello friends, so today we're going to make Dhansak. We'll obviously provide our twist to it. Dhansak is a famous dish from Mumbai. We're going to make it the vegetarian option today, but obviously you can replace the vegetables I'll put in the end with chicken or any other meat you wish to put. Above all, we'll try to keep it completely oil-free so it's healthy and fresh and full of protein. So it's actually a very simple one-pot recipe. The hardest bit obviously is probably cutting this butternut squash. Rest is very simple. So I have here butternut squash, aubergine, lentils. You can use a mix of lentils. I've just used the red ones. Onions. I have a bit of frozen leaf spinach, coriander, tomatoes, and this a bit of green vegetables which I'll put in the end. So it all goes into one pot. So the onions are red and white mixed, more white and a few red onions. A lot of washed and soaked red lentils, butternut squash, aubergine, some tomatoes, coriander, bit of spinach, and if you've been following my recipes, we use a bit of the tomato garlic chutney, the link for which is below. This does have some oil. If you want to cut out oil completely, don't use this, use ginger garlic paste and a bit more of tomatoes. And in goes the 4 spices, which is turmeric, chili powder, cumin powder, and coriander powder. In goes the salt, and water, and then it goes into a pressure cooker or any other tight lid utensil you can use. I'll be using my pressure cooker. Goes into my pressure cooker, and it on the lid, and on goes the weight. So I'm going to cook it or pressure cook it for 25 minutes. So you see, this has been cooking for 25 minutes in the pressure cooker. Now I'm just going to stick blend. Not too much, I want to leave it a bit coarse. And all, because this is the vegetarian version, I'm going to put all this. This is spinach and all the greens, butternut squash coming next. So the aubergine and the butternut squash I have just cooked in the air fryer. We cook for another 5 minutes and finish off with coriander and a bit of our aromatic garam masala. So we finish off the vegan Dhansak with coriander and the aromatic garam masala. So friends, I hope you enjoyed today's Dhansak recipe. Next time we're going to do the famous UK chicken tikka masala. It's a version of Indian butter chicken. We'll keep the butter part out. We'll make a healthy version of chicken tikka masala next time. So see you next time. Thank you for watching.